F90 M5 with all of its tech and beautiful aesthetics is a wonderful car. But the one thing that plagues it is definitely the body roll. So in today's video, we're gonna be installing the MSS Haas kit into this M5. Let's get into the video. Today at SVBimmer, we have height adjustable springs from MSS. Now we've done adjustable springs on the channel before, but MSS has a different approach with their setup. They use two springs with their own independent spring rates. The smaller black spring is actually not a helper spring, but will compress and expand as the car is turning in and out, while the orange spring will handle all the imperfections on the road. And unlike other springs, you can run this setup at ride height and lower it by 30 millimeters. If you haven't heard of MSS before, they're based in the UK and are making a huge splash in the US. They've served over 50 different countries and have shipped to every continent except for Antarctica. But I'm sure they'll have the penguins riding low in their snowmobiles soon enough. But if that still doesn't ring a bell, then I'm sure you'll be happy to hear that MSS partnered up with one of the most respected brands in IBOC to produce their spring kits. So rest assured, you're getting a quality product from a trusted brand with years of research and development. Their spring kits are also 100% modular, so you could add a softer or stiffer spring later on if your needs change. They really believe that car manufacturers got it right when it comes to dampers and ride height, in respect to most drivers. So their kits are truly designed to work with the factory setup. The reason MSS went with this approach was to deliver more control and performance without sacrificing comfort. So whether your terrain is the city streets, windy canyons, or the track, give this kit a try and experience how the MSS Haas kit is changing the game. If it delivers on the M5 competition, it'll perform throughout the rest of the BMW platforms. And just like that, we've solved the biggest element when it comes to the M5. Now, every BMW series has its own particular quirk. Some would say that the 2 Series isn't powerful enough, the 3 Series has lost its identity, and the M5 could definitely use more suspension upgrades. That's exactly why we went with the MSS Haas kit. But if you feel that this M5 could use another upgrade, please let us know what that upgrade is, as well as any other questions down in the comment section below. And if you're looking to pick up your own MSS Haas kit, it's gonna be down in the description links. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next upgrade that we have for this M5. And we'll see all of you in that video.